Alright, in today's video, I am going to take you through how to make money on Bybit. This method is very easy. You're gonna stake your money on Bybit. So what you have to do is to come to Bybit Earn. If you have an account, then you click on Bybit Earn. When you click on it, do you see this one? We are going to use Bybit stake, okay? Staking, where we can get up to approximately 50% of our income in the next 15 days. This is our yearly APL, okay? APL simply means yearly estimated rate, okay? That's the money that you make. So with these 15 days, they will estimate the amount of money we will make. So imagine we are having 500 AVL, so that means we are getting 10.27 AVL in the next 15 days. And let's estimate the price of AVL. So we have to go back to the market section, then we click on AVL. When we click on AVL, this is AVL USDT. So we estimate the price of AVL USDT, which is approximately 0.31. so let's click on it, okay? So let's say we have $200 and then we want to buy AVL of worth of $200. We get 628.3. So we copy this AVL, then we go back to our Binance Earn or Bybit Earn, okay? Then we click on the stake, okay? When we click on it, then what we have to do is come in and paste this one. Paste this 683, okay? So this is how much we will make. That means we will make approximately 12.91. That's 12.91 USDT on top of our money. So let's do this calculation. That's 12.9. So let's take this one and do calculation. So that's we know how much we make in the next 15 days. So imagine we have 12.9 AVL multiplied by 0.31, which means we get $4 out of $200. So we turn $4 into $200 within 15 days. Yeah, within 15 days. And if this offer is still available, you can still grab it, okay? This is staking period is just 15 days, and if you have more money, you can make more money here within the next 15 days, okay? This video is an educational video and doesn't guarantee you that you will make more money on this platform, but you can do your research before you also invest. That is what we do, okay? When we show you something, what you have to do is also do your research. This on this side, they are saying that we should stake up to 300 AVL or more, okay? Up to 300 AVL more. So if this is what they are actually asking you to stake, then let's look at how much we will get AVL for 360, okay? Yeah, so AVL, that means this AVL that they want 360 AVL. So let's see, 360, that's we gonna spend 114.5 US dollars. So 114.5. so let's go back and see if we are investing the said amount, how much are we going to make from it. So that's 360, okay? So we have 360. That means we are making 7.39 if you invest 114.5. let's do our calculation. 7.39, okay? 7.39. So that means we will make extra $2 on top of our 114 USDT in the next 15 days. This is how you can be making money small on platform, the exchanges. So imagine you have another coin here which you can stake. Let's say you have another coin that you can stake here, okay? This is 3 days. this is 3 days. This 3 days method is what we call a dual principle, whether the coin will come up or it will decrease. So when you select a coin here and then the coin goes up, you get it. Okay, if the coin goes up, you get 178. Imagine you put the price here. Okay, then if the price goes down, you get this one. So let's say we invest $100 on this. We invest $100. Let's see how much we are going to make on top of it. So that is just 1 day. So we invested $100. Let's say we invest $100 here. We will make 0.97 cents. If the price go up, this is how much we will make. Yeah, if the price go up, and if the price come down, we will sell it. It will automatically sell to what we call solenoid. Okay, so there are a lot of ways that you can invest on this platform. Okay, a lot of ways. Others you can make up to, this is just 1 day investment. Okay, we have 1 day investment and also have 3 days investment where you can make 142% of the APL. So let's say you want to invest, let's say $1,000 here, and at the end of the 3rd day, let's do the calculation how much we make. Okay, so that means at the end of the 11 days, if the currency or if the coin increases above the price, above the 178 level, this is where you get $11, and if it decreases, you also get $11 on top. Then you can sell it to make extra profit here. Okay, now let's see the price of Solana, which is low. If it is above this one there, if it's above 179, okay, that's the next price, 179, it will go. So let's see the price of Solana at the moment. Okay, what is the price of Solana? Let's check Solana price. So I want to check the price of Solana. Okay, Solana, let's see how much is the price. So that's 179 USD, 179. So with this, it definitely that this coin will increase. And if we invest $1,000 at the end of the 3 days, we are making $11 profit. Okay, that is how this one works. And then we have a lot of ways to earn on this platform. You can click on more. When you click on more, we have plenty ways to earn. On the launch pool too, we have another launch pool where you can invest in coins before they launch and you get some tokens for those coins. So this is how to invest in or stake in by Bybit. Thank you very much.